Happy Easter, everyone! Today is Easter. It's May the 4th day. It's Star Wars Day. It's not Easter today. Is it Easter today, guys?
Yeah.
So we have a unique Easter because we were all sick. So we ended up not going to our normal Easter egg hunt. And today we are celebrating Easter with an Easter egg hunt at Grandma and Grandpa's house. And do you guys think the Easter Bunny is going to come?
Yeah.
What else?
And we're celebrating Grandpa's birthday, Camden's, and Cooper's.
Yeah, Grandpa turned 70, Cooper is turning 13, and Camden turned 3. So that's some big birthdays, right?
Yeah.
So I feel like 3, he's not a baby anymore.
No.
And do you know what that means, Camden? What do you need to do? Body training.
Yeah, not wear diapers.
Okay, who's excited for Easter?
Me.
And who thinks the Easter Bunny's gonna lay eggs in the yard?
Me.
Chloe doesn't think the Easter Bunny's gonna lay eggs.
I think.
That's sad.
No. I started volleyball.
Alright guys, well let's say Happy Easter and we'll see you at Grandma's, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Happy Easter!
Hey guys, right now I'm eating Little Caesar's pizza.
Which is weird because we got Chipotle catering, which is 100 times better than, but you like Little Caesars?
Yeah, but I don't have to have Chipotle if I don't want
Spoiled. Camden, what are you having? You having that? Do you want to show it to us? Bring it over here. And root beer?
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks so good. You got chips and guacamole and sour cream and corn. You remember when you were a little baby and you had Chipotle here?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you were in the high chair?
Yeah.
And now you're sitting in the big chair?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Alright guys, smile.
Say cheeseburger.
Say Happy Easter.
Cody.
Hey, you guys did get Easter baskets.
Look at Grandma real quick. Say cheese.
I was worried no Easter Bunny would come.
Camden, look at Grandma.
Camden, what did you get? Oh, cookies and a soda and M&Ms. Really? And a gift card? And pop. Oh, and a Spider-Man shirt?
Yeah.
Whoa. And pants and a shirt?
Yeah.
And Cody, what did you get? Are you wanting to open the chocolate?
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want me to open the chocolate?
Oh, I'm going to.
Carson, what did you get?
Oh, I got a shirt and popcorn, circus, like cookies, Pirate Booty, and Disney gift card, and like a turkey cheese gift.
What? And Chloe, how about you? What did you get?
I got. Boy, did you know I got Santa? I got
Oh, that's a nice shirt.
And
Another shirt. Cute.
Sour.
You got sour worm.
and his shorts.
Nice.
And then I got popcorn. And I got McDonald's, Disney, and a $25 gift card.
Wow. Cooper, what'd you get?
I got a t-shirt, shorts, animal cookies, Chuck E. Cheese gift card, popcorn, and McDonald's gift card, Disney gift card, strawberry twizzles, and Pirate Booty.
Wow.
Oh, Spider-Man, so cool.
Go get him! Faster! Go, Carter! I see one. Well, that was a good find. Cody up in the tree. What? You found a soccer one?
Yeah.
Cody, look, you're walking right by a bunch of eggs, Cody. Look right behind you. Cam? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
You found it?
Yeah.
Keep going. You walked by 2 right there. Go climb up and get it. Brr, that wind is cold. You got any, Cooper?
Yeah, I got a lot.
Nice. Yeah, they'll literally walk by like 7 eggs to get to 1. I don't know what it's. I think Carson's looking for the soccer ones. Carson, are you looking for the sports ones? I saw a Mickey Mouse egg.
Look how much I have.
Whoa, you almost have no room left in your bucket, girl. Carter, you already opened them? There's still more to find.
I was closing it.
Oh, okay. Look at the Mickey Mouse egg.
Right
You see? That's cool. And a car egg? Cooper, what in the world is that? Is it like melted?
It's easy.
Yuck. Why is that like that?
Oh, maybe the sun.
This is not melted.
Well, don't eat the nasty one.
I'm trying to get it.
You got what?
A Rubik's Cube.
Show. That's cool. Oh, and Carson got the basketball one too. I like that basketball one.
I'm gonna jump away.
Did you get a lot of eggs, Cam?
Person. Look how much eggs I have.
Yeah, yours is like literally overflowing.
Ooh, I got a keychain.
I got Cooper. A Cooper egg.
Yeah.
You got Cooper's egg?
That happens.
And you guys got another basket that was given out at the other Easter egg hunt. Cookies? You want these open? We already have some open inside. We can save those ones, okay? You guys got another bag? I feel like you made out like a bandit. Did you get a lot of stuff?
I want to make this.
What is that?
Like a Lego Jurassic World.
That's so cool. I wouldn't open it. You're gonna make it now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. Sure. What are you doing?
Dyeing eggs.
Yeah.
Dyeing Easter eggs?
You guys good? You want to divvy these out?
Cody, what colors are you gonna do for your eggs?
Enough to start.
What colors do you have, Cody?
I'm gonna grab one.
One red.
You have red, yellow, and orange.
Here, I'll give you some.
I don't
Go sit by Chloe. You can go sit by Chloe. There's room over there.
Drop it in. There you go.
They didn't dye eggs when they had Easter.
And then let it sit for a long time because it'll look really pretty if you let it sit a long time.
Yeah, there's.
Whoa! Okay, do another egg, Cam.
But let it sit for a while.
Here, put one in the yellow.
Yeah.
Put one in the yellow.
Let them set and then they turn colors.
Yeah.
Good job. Now do blue.
Blue.
Good job. Now do the other one. Is that, what color is that one? Yellow?
There you go.
They're pink?
Let them set.
Is it kind of pink?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, let them set for a while.
Look at Carson's hitting baseballs like home runs. That's gone. Crunch. That one in the egg dye. You're dyeing baseballs. That's a good hit right there. Oh, so close, Camden.
I think Camden might be left. That hit. You don't need to give him the balls yet. Don't give him the balls to him. Camden.
You just let him do his thing.
He's
You want me to help you, Cam?
Yeah.
Go drive, Camden. Bye.
Bye.
Push the pedal. Push it. Go. You gotta push it. Yeah, we're singing birthday song to you. We're singing happy birthday to Grandpa and to Cooper.
Hey, Camden.
And Camden.
Do you have cake?
So sit over there by Cooper.
How old are you?
Oh,
Are you 3?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, give it.
Okay.
3-year-old set it right there.
How old are you
Grandpa,
again?
you probably should sit
3.
there too.
Where?
Yeah.
You need
Come
to
sit. So 3-year-olds have to sit here. That's the 3-year-old chair.
Yep, the big
And
3.
Cooper.
Oh my god, that's a big number.
I know there's 70,133.
70,133? Oh,
Cody, sit right here. No, wait. Sit right here.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandpa Cooper. Happy birthday to you.
Cooper, blow it out. Good job. He wanted him to.
Oh, try it again, Cam.
You did it. He wanted you to.
Yeah, he wanted some help.
He asked Cooper to help him. All right, guys, we are back home. We had a super fun day celebrating Easter. Unfortunately, we were all super sick on Easter, and we didn't film
So we needed
we were
to do it on May 4th.
Yeah, we didn't want to get our family sick, right?
Yeah.
We got like super sick. Melissa was like bedridden for a week, and you were sick too. Remember you on the airplane? What happened on the airplane? Tell them.
I flew up in Camden.
Yeah, so not only were we stranded at the Dallas airport for 14 hours because they gave away some of our seats, but Camden and him were puking the entire time. So that was a fun flight, wasn't it? But then you got better fast, right?
I was sleeping and I was like choking.
Yeah, was that hard? Did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Okay, anything you want to say to anyone?
Happy Easter.
Bye.
Bye.
And then Cooper, how was your day?
It was great.
Was it great?
Yeah, I had a fun day, and my birthday's coming up on May 20th. That me and Uncle are going to the Light Rail Grand opening down in Redmond on Saturday, May 10th.
But we're talking about today, so how was today?
Good.
How old are you going to be?
13.
Alright, so everyone needs to comment what down below?
Say, happy 13th birthday, Cooper, and I hope you have a wonderful day. That's what you guys say in the comments.
Okay, bye.
Bye.